Hello everyone, this is Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics, joesge.com, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit about the Samsung Gear Fit 2 versus the Samsung Gear Fit 2 Pro and what the differences are. Really, there are not too many differences from one model to the other. That's what's pretty astounding about this. So I'm going to show you guys a really quick review just so you can distinguish if these added benefits are something you're actually interested in. So one of the things you need to know about these units is they're exactly the same size. They both have a 200 milliamp battery. So their battery size is exactly the same, even though the connector internally is different, but the battery size is the same. The back housing is the same. Everything is basically the same. The only difference in the Gear Fit 2 Pro is the OS that's on there. So the operating system on there and a couple of different sensors on there allow it to have a little bit more options. So one of the things that the Gear Fit 2 Pro does is it has a barometer, so it can actually determine the height where you're at, which is important. If that's important to you, then you want to get the Gear Fit 2 Pro. One of the options it also has is you can actually download Spotify and then download songs onto your Gear Fit 2 Pro, so that way you can have songs with you without any Wi-Fi and not having it connected to your phone. That's another option. So if that's beneficial to you, you want to get the Gear Fit 2 Pro. Another option that the Gear Fit 2 Pro has that the Samsung Gear Fit 2 regular doesn't have is the Gear Fit 2 Pro gives you the ability to connect your wireless earbuds, your Galaxy Buds, to your Samsung Gear Fit 2 Pro. So then you can rock some earbuds and you have your watch with you and you're listening to music as you go, which is nice. Both of these units have 4 gigabytes of space in here so you can download songs. The Gear Fit 2 Pro has the Spotify option here, so then you can actually download your Spotify songs, which is also pretty sweet. The Gear Fit 2 Pro also has a Under Armour option on there as well, so you can actually use some of the features on there, and it also has some more activity tracking things. The last thing the Gear Fit 2 Pro has, the Gear Fit 2 regular does not have, is the Pro actually has the ability to track your strides when you're swimming, which is something that may be helpful for you. So the Gear Fit 2 regular cannot do that. Both of these watches are very similar and identical. The cost between one and the other right now in the market is about 25 bucks. So now what you're basically looking at is the difference in style. If you look at this band here, you have more of a sleek, cool band, and you have this loop and just kind of a classic design here where this just pops into place. By the way, if you guys are looking for any Samsung watches, we do sell these on our website, joesge.com. We got some great deals for refurbished watches. And if you guys look at this specific watch here, the style is slightly different. It actually has this loop underneath. You're actually seeing this a little bit more common with the new Fitbits that came out, and Apple Watch does something similar, but Apple tucks underneath. This tucks on the outside. So you have a little bit of a different design here on the wristband. So besides that, really these are the same watches. This just has a little bit more options for you. I'll take out all the other BS, and that's all you guys really got to know. If you need those extra options, buy the Gear Fit 2 Pro. If you don't, just stick with the Samsung Gear Fit 2 regular and you'll be good to go. You'll save some money on the way. Alright folks, this is Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics. In order to support us, you guys can just buy some electronics off our website. We'd really appreciate it. Our website is joesge.com. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment, like our videos, share it, subscribe. We'll be here. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.